So if you guys are new to my channel, this is the mower that I use. This is a Toro Real Master 3100D. See there? This is a real... Ooh, look at all that sand down there. That's not good. So this is a real mower. Has 3 cutting units here. And I can mow 80 inches wide. And it looks to me like I've got a leak on one of my hydraulic hoses, which sucks. That's too bad. I'll have to fix that over the winter. These are 8-blade reels here, right here. This thing is all hydraulic. I spent a lot of time fixing this up about 2 years ago. Love this machine. It makes easy work of getting the lawn mowed. I'm gonna use this and do a little bit of mowing today. Hopefully I can get the front mowed totally and then see if I can get everything mowed. So this is a diesel motor, so you turn the key there. You gotta let it sit and warm up for a second, the glow plugs. So this thing's got a Kubota engine in it. I don't know how many horse, but it's a diesel Kubota engine. I love this machine, and I'm telling you, it's fantastic. Expensive little bugger, but worth it. So it's kind of sad that we're nearing the end of the season here. It's just sad to me. My dahlias are over. The grass is going to be going dormant any day now. The lawn's looking dry. It hasn't rained in days and days, but it's been cold, so you don't need to water it as much. So you got to make several passes around the perimeter, all the way around. This direction, that direction, this direction, that direction. Then once you get the perimeter, then you can fly on the field passes. Hey, come on, hey. Yeah, good girl. Hey, it's not okay. You don't just treat me like I'm a bystander. So I'm finding it really hard to see my stripes coming in this direction. I don't know why, but you can see here where they've burned in these stripes in this way, but I'm trying to come at it in this direction. You can kind of see them here as you look with the sun to your back. They're not straight, but coming this way is extremely difficult to see where to mow. You can see the tire tracks, they're pretty evident and firm. I still have a lot of sand on the lawn, but the lawn's looking really cool with those diamonds like that. It's so awesome. You know, when you mow the lawn, it looks like that, those diamonds. I'm able to get that burn in going, you know, with this mower, because it's nice and wide. You just go back and forth over it and over it again. It's that nice diamond pattern. So I got some weeds here, see? Weeds. Those will need to be sprayed. This is a disaster, okay? Imazapyr is not good for grass. That's gonna have to get dug out. Looks like my dahlias made it through the frost, which is good. I never showed this section over here. I ended up seeding this section and did not end up filming it. I filled it full of dirt and then seeded it with a blend of Kentucky Blue and perennial rye. You can see how it didn't all come in everywhere. So it needs more seed, more fertilizer, more water. And then here, these are Imazapyr spots here. That's Imazapyr. This is gonna have to get dug out and replaced with soil. I was told that this isn't going to be able to be reseeded for 12 months, so maybe next fall. So I'm gonna dig it out and replace it with sand and or soil and reseed that. So hopefully I can get that thing to come back. You can see all the poatriv, all these lighter green spots here. These are poatriv. Maybe I should try some pre-emergent or something like that for here, but look how freaking awesome this pattern is. I mowed these stripes in this direction a few days ago when Paul CASTLEBERRY was here. So it's like the end of September or something like that. We went up to the lake and I've got Brian here and Paul CASTLEBERRY showed up and he's like, well, I want to mow the lawn. I said, okay. So the sun's about to go down and I'm gonna let him mow a little bit with the triplex here. I don't know if I should, but that works. I kind of told myself I didn't want to let anybody ever use my trap hooks again because it kind of screws things up, but I'm gonna let him do it. So it's been a while since I've mowed this, probably maybe 3 or 4 days or something like that. It's time to mow. I'm gonna let Paul mow, okay? I'm gonna do one pass right here and then I'm gonna let him mow. I don't think I am gonna let him mow, actually. I'm just gonna let him watch me mow, because I don't freaking care. He can suck it, because last time I let somebody mow my triplex, they broke it. I'm not gonna name names here, but you know that guy that has the name RK? First initial R, last initial K. I'm trying to get Ryan to go on that four-wheeler and go on a four-wheeler ride, but he's like, no, I don't want to go on a four-wheeler ride, yeah. It's like, dude, you're in the mountains. Get your butt up into the mountains. And he doesn't want to do it. It's like, what is this? Chicken City? I think he's kind of figured it out. I don't know that I trust him on that machine. Look at the guy over there. He's like an adult in a little kid's body, just driving like an oversized machine. Looks like a little kid. And now he's just driving willy-nilly all around. Hey, I wanna go mow at the back. I wanna go mow the back. Okay, go mow the back, dude. You do whatever you wanna do, you know? This is your show, not mine. I don't trust those guys, so maybe we should not, maybe it'd be wise for me not to let them mow. And then I've come at it this direction today. When you've got this mower, mowing is a joy and a pleasure. It's so much fun. If you can get yourself a nice mower, whether it's a walk behind, a riding mower, or something that you can enjoy your time out here, just kind of unwind and relax. Such a pleasurable experience. So I'm about 3 weeks post sand, and you can still see lots of sand here and there. I probably should put some more fertilizer on this lawn. You can kind of see these lines here where the sand was. This is where I came through here with Rick the roller and rolled. It was super wet, and the sand just kind of piled up in a line there, and then made the grass kind of suffer because it wasn't getting any sunlight. We still have good grass growing weather. We're in the 60s or 50s as the high, and then it'll warm back up to the, I don't know, 65 or something like that. But it's prime grass growing weather for cool season. It's officially fall. My baskets have died over there. My flowers are still kind of going. Those baskets have seen better days. That was partially or 100% my blame. I put some fertilizer on them. I burned them on accident. So that was a bad deal there. I do definitely have quite a few of these sand spots here. I'm wishing that I would have come at this with the sand a little bit sooner in the game. I did this on Labor Day. Today is the end of September the 28th. So that needed more time to progress and to get better. So I should have done it mid-August. If you've got a short season like mine, mid-August is about good time to do your top dressing. If you've got a longer season, goes into October, November, Labor Day is fine, or after Labor Day. You just need about a month to a month and a half for it to recover. So I'm gonna finish mowing this section here. I've got this part to do, and then the other side there, but all in all, I'm happy with the results. The lawn has never been as good as it was when I was hand mowing with my Toro Greensmaster 1600 every day. While I do love this machine, it doesn't give the quality of cut that the walk behind gives. Sounds crazy, but it's true. Maybe I should put some pre-emergent down for all this triv. Not sure exactly what to do with it. I know it's triv because I've had it analyzed. I do have some ethofumicate, and I'm going to try that in the spring when the POA starts to show up. So where you see the mower there, I need to mow beyond there, but I think that's all I'm going to do for tonight. Looks good. I'm happy with it. The stripes, they're not the easiest to get super laser straight. It's got a really good look. It looks fantastic other than some of these dead spots here. And that, you know, that's life there. You know, you learn from your mistakes. You don't do certain things. And yeah, I shouldn't have done something right there that I did. But that's okay, you know. But this is fantastic. Nice cool season lawn, Kentucky bluegrass, perennial ryegrass. I am gonna make a few passes going this way before it gets dark so I can burn in these stripes in this direction. And then I'm gonna call it a night and go for it on vacation. So I had some people asking me about this trench right here. So you can kind of see this trench, this darker spot right there. This is where I trenched the lawn to install power to my storage shed back there. You can kind of see it right here starting to fill in and become unnoticeable, and that's good. So this area here was a really low spot, and it settled from where I dug a big trench here running water to my shed over there. So this is going to need some more seed likely in the spring. I don't think I'm going to deal with it until then because the seed will not germinate while it's so cold. You can see right here I have not mowed this section at all, and then you can see where I have mowed over there. The lawn looks so fantastic when it's freshly mowed. I just love it. It's fantastic. It feels so good. I think that is it, guys. I appreciate you. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. I ran over the lawn one more time, burned the stripes in, and man, it looks amazing. It is so fun to see the lawn like that. I love seeing the crisscross pattern, the diamond stripes like that. Oh my gosh, it is so fun when it looks like that. And it's so fun to be in the fall season when the grass starts growing like crazy again and starts looking amazing. So top dressing, water, fertilizer, mowing, that's the ticket to awesome success on the lawn.